Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. So here I'm gonna show you how to download Zoom app on PC or laptop, and it's pretty simple. So at first we're going to open any browser. As here I'm using the Chrome browser, and in the search section you just need to go to the Zoom as download section. And here you'll find out the download options. As you can see, if you download this 32-bit, you can use it until December 2025, and after that you need to install this download 64-bit again. So in this way, I would recommend you to download this 64-bit. So simply tap on this download option. And at the right side corner, you will see that the download is progress, and here it will take some time. So here you can see the download is completed. We just need to tap on this option. And here now it's going to be the initialization part. And in this part, it will also take some time. So here you can see the installation was successful, and simply tap on the done option. And now here you can see we have completely downloaded the Zoom application on our PC. And here you just need to simply create an account. If you have already the account, you just need to sign in. And if you're new on the Zoom, you just need to sign up and create the account. And after that, you can use the Zoom according to your necessary. So that's the way how you can download the Zoom application on your PC. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.